What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. Now, real quick, I wanted to record a really quick video because I get hit up about this question all the time, and I just thought it makes sense to record a quick video on it. And it is, how do you find the time? How do you balance all the things that go on in your world, whether it be work, whether it be children, whether it be family, whether it be girlfriend, fiance, wife, whatever? How do you find the time to make everything just work? The biggest piece of advice I can give to anyone who's struggling with time management and making enough time for the people that matter most to you, whoever that is when you are in the moment, be there, be present, be aware of your surroundings. Make sure that you are paying attention and not focused on your cell phone, on your email, replying to your messages. Make sure that when you have time with someone, whether it be a client, whether it be a significant other, whether it be children, whether it be you doing something for yourself in terms of education, learning, making yourself better, practicing the craft, be present, be aware of where you are, and make sure that you are fully focused on the task or the situation or the atmosphere or the surroundings of wherever you are at that point in time. I think if you could take those pieces of advice, you could intertwine them into your life. I think regardless, if you have a lot of time with someone or something, or a little bit of time with someone or something, I think you will get the most out of your investment of being physically in that space. Again, being present is my secret sauce to kind of getting through the chaos of balancing a million different things simultaneously. When you're in the moment, be in the moment. Make sure that you are fully focused, fully paying attention, and fully all in. If you do this, I think you'll really find yourself in a good spot, and I think you'll find the advice incredibly helpful.
Jason. Jani.
Jason. Jani.